In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TradingView email. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can update your email confidently and keep your account secure. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're on any TradingView page, such as your chart or home page. At the top of the screen, look toward the upper left area of the header. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small avatar image or just the first letter of your username in a colored circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your personal menu. When the menu opens, you'll see a few options related to your account. In that small drop-down, find your username and click directly on it. This is what takes you into the main section of your account, where you can edit personal information and preferences. After clicking your username, you'll be taken to a page where you can see more detailed options. Look for the option labeled Settings and Billing. This is usually where TradingView groups anything related to your profile details, subscription, and account controls. Click on Settings and Billing to continue. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice several tabs or sections. Here, you want to find the one called Account Settings. This is the place where TradingView lets you manage core account information, such as your login details and contact info. Click on Account Settings to open that section. Inside the Account Settings page, look for the option that says Change Email. This is the control you'll use to update the email address associated with your TradingView account. Click on Change Email and TradingView will prompt you to enter your new email address. In most cases, you may also be asked to confirm the change through a verification email sent to the new address, or by entering your account password for security. Once you've submitted the new email and followed any on-screen prompts or confirmation links, your TradingView account will be updated. Take a moment to double-check that the new email is correct and consider signing out and back in to ensure everything works smoothly. That's it.